All right, y'all, man. Here go a tutorial, man. Shaq Diesel tutorial. I get this question asked frequently. I get this question asked a lot, man, when I'm out in the street. From elderly white people, even some black people, everything. They always ask me,
How do your teeth be so
one of
white?
the weirdest questions ever. But I have to answer it because um, it's worth answering. You know what I'm saying? But anyways, I got some little stuff in my eye. They ain't nothing but some trash probably because I hold dirt all day. But tutorial time, man. I always get this freaking question asked. How, or they always ask how, or they ask, where did. So the where did is, they ask me where did I get my teeth from. So showing everybody I got my teeth. I'm probably missing two or three, maybe two. But they my wisdom tooth and all that. They had to go, they hurting. But anyways, they ask them where I get my teeth done and where I get them from. And then they'll say, how did you get your teeth white? And here's the video to show y'all how I've been doing it for the last, I'm 43 years old, how I've been doing it for the last 30 years. Because I really didn't start brushing my teeth till I got 13. It sound nasty, it sound crazy, but we had the utensils to do it with, but 13-year-old boy and back to one, shoot, lazy, man. I was so lazy, so freaking lazy. But I'm going to show y'all how I did for the last 30 years. I say, yeah, 30 years since I was 13 and up. When people started saying, oh, you look cute, you got a nice smile, but your teeth yellow. And that only thing it took with that one comment, your teeth yellow, and I took off from that point. But let me show y'all my ritual, what I use. I only do it once a month, just in case, because I don't want to wear my enamel out on my teeth, because I love eating ice. So let me show y'all my little ritual, what I do. All right, this is what I do, man. I get me a bowl. I get my toothpaste. I started using this right here lately. First of all, because it's cheaper. It's like $99 for the this whole tube. It lasts a good little while, so I used it. I went to this. I used to go to Crest, but this right here pretty good though. It's AIM, 99 cents, little cheap. So I normally get me a little powder that I don't like wasting none at all. I add me a little mouthwash in here. Just a splash, just like that. This is my little ritual, how I get my teeth white. And I'll use baking soda. I ain't trying to show y'all the brand, but all baking soda are pretty much the same. But I usually use Arm & Hammer. So I coat it up good like that. I get these toothbrushes, they're 99 cents too, Dr. Freshly. They medium, they firm, they're the firm kind. They actually work real good. They're not too hard, not too soft. My toothbrush is always green. So what I do, I stir it up. All right, I just stir it up, make a little paste like this, like a soap. Make a little paste, little gummy paste. Yep, little gummy paste. And then I put my water on hot. I get my water kind of hot first. While that's getting hot, I'm gonna still paste it a little bit. Just like a little paste of right here, the consistency of the paste. I ain't got no answer for y'all to know like that, so like I just said, a splash of this, man. Get a little paste of my water still not completely hot yet. Alright, so now the water a little hot. I just put a little in my mouth. Put a little in my mouth, rinse it out. Get the paste. You can use a big chunk of it like this. And just put it in. Rinse your mouth out. You can rinse it out once or twice. I rinse mine out once. And then of course you're gonna dry your mouth off. And I'm gonna get another serving of it. Get it thick. I'm gonna put it on my teeth. All right. Last step, wash my mouth out again. You want the water to be hot as you can stand it, not too hot. It's hot enough you can stand it. Then I go back to clean my brush off. Clean my brush off real good, dry it. Shake it dry, and go back with a clean brush. You can hear it, listen. All right. Once that's washed, and you're done, really. So now you're gonna rinse your mouth out with a little warm water. Gargle once or twice. I gargle once. Get my paper towel. Dry my face. Let y'all see the finishing product. White smile. And that's what I've been doing, man, for the last 30 years, and they've been working for me. So y'all check this thing out. More tips on how to get your teeth white. Keep watching the video and I'll show y'all more. I'm out, y'all.